Instead of using a browser, the Amazon app gives you a faster and smoother shopping experience. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Amazon app on your phone, including the account creation process. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone. Now, tap on the search bar, type Amazon, and then tap the search icon. From the search results, select the official Amazon app. Next, tap on the Install or Get button to download the app. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. On the welcome screen, you'll see options for sign in and create an account. To create a new account, tap on Create Account, then enter your email address and tap Continue. Next, tap on Proceed to create an account. Now, enter your first and last name, create a strong password, and tap the Verify Email button. You may be asked to complete a quick puzzle, simply solve it, and tap Confirm. After that, enter the verification code sent to your email and tap Verify. Once your email is verified, enter your phone number and tap Add Mobile Number. Now, enter the verification code sent to your phone to complete the account setup. Once your account is created, you can start browsing products, adding items to your cart, and placing orders. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and started using the Amazon app on your phone. Thanks for watching.